Hello everyone. So if like me you've just got your hands on a lovely Roland TR6S, maybe because you didn't have room on your bench for the larger TR8S, which would have been my preference, although I couldn't really justify spending the extra money just for a hobby. So I've got the amazing TR6S drum machine stroke rhythm performer, because it does a lot more than just drums. So you've probably, like me, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I thought I'd mastered it even before I brought it. And I brought it home, plugged it in, switched it on. It defaults to bank 1 pattern 1. It's labelled E78CTRO. You can press the start and stop button straight away and it starts performing one of the amazing preset patterns. There's 8 banks and each bank can hold up to 16 patterns, and presets, or banks 1 to 5 are preset, and banks 6 to 8 are free. Now presumably you can overwrite the preset programs. There's also 8 variations for each pattern, and they're accessible on these buttons down here. But on most of the preset patterns, it automatically scrolls through the variations to make the pattern much longer. So to change the pattern, press the pattern select button, it will light up, and then just press the numbered patterns along here. I'm going to press button 2, and when the existing pattern has finished playing, it changes. And why I brought this machine, it has sliders. You can just take out the bass, so it's going to make it very easy to do drops in music that I try to create. Now the other thing, again, I watched lots of YouTube videos. They just instantly programmed in patterns and started playing with the effects, and the effects were having an effect. But when I tried it, as you can see here now, it doesn't do anything. So quickly realized you have to press the master effects button and then you can change it. Now if you do that, let's just go back to pattern 1, which is what it defaults to when you first turn it on. And on that pattern, this pattern now playing, if you press the master effects button like I did on this pattern, then you hear this horrible noise and you think, oh no, is it broken? Is it supposed to do that? But actually the effects buttons do change. It's just that on this specific pattern it has a rather strange effect. If you want to, on here it's 1 to 16 patterns, you can just select. There's another one there. If you want to actually change the bank, you hold the pattern number and press the bank number, and that's bank 4. I want to select 5, so it goes bank 5 and then it flashes, and then if you do the 4th one along there, bank 5, pattern 4. And this is the famous 909 kit. And while we're talking about kits, if you press the kit button, you'll see that this pattern that's called 909 is using the 909 kit. You can just simply scroll through and change the kit that it's using to play that pattern. So that's how that works. One last thing, you can change the brightness and the LED colours, I believe, and lots of other presets. You do that by pressing the utility button, and there you'll see when you first press it, the first item is LCD brightness, and when you change the value knob, it doesn't actually change the brightness, and you start turning all the other knobs thinking, well, how do I actually change the brightness? And what they fail to tell you is you actually press the value button. So, and then you can actually change press it again, you go back to the presets and you can select all the other things to set the screen up and change parameters. So hopefully that's a good little introduction that has got you started, and you can already start being a performer. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share. This is my first YouTube video. When I learn a bit more about this thing, I'm going to post some more videos, and I'm also going to post some of my music which I make. I've got homemade kit as well, and I've bought the drum machine to accompany my homemade rhythm machine. I'll show you that in another video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.